Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a new collaboration with My First Wig. You spoke, they listened, and have updated their units to keep up with today's demand. I'm excited to introduce their new ear lace. It's soft, it's light, and as you can already tell, it's pretty see-through. They also have higher density options for those who prefer more thickness for the unit. They now offer 130 and 160% density, so the choice is in your hands. Straight out the box, this unit does come pre-plucked and bleached, but you guys know I'm going to pluck it a little bit more to my liking. I didn't have to pluck it too much, but I do want to let you guys see what it looked like before I do the install. They've also gone ahead and extended the lace, so you're going to get a much deeper lace with the options of a middle part, or you can also part it along the sides if you're team side part like I am. So before I proceed with this install, I'm going to go ahead and lay this unit. I mean, it's a bust down middle part, so you know I got to work on busting it down. So as always, your girl is going to use some of my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick, and I'm going to use my hot comb and just slick the hair back until it's nice and straight. So I decided I didn't want to do baby hair just simply because I'm going more for the natural look nowadays. So for this install, I'm doing my no baby hair look that works perfect with helping to camouflage your lace and giving you more of a natural look for your install. Once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off the ear tabs, and then this unit is going to be ready for me to lay it down. So you guys know I haven't been doing the ball cap method, so I'm spraying a little bit of my Even New York lace tinting spray to the front of the unit just to get it to blend with my skin once I add back the foundation to my face. Before adding any adhesive, you want to make sure that your skin is clear, dry, and free of any makeup. I'm not going to use glue to do this install. I am going to lay this unit down using my Even New York Wonder Lace Bond with the Mega Hold Strength. And now I'm just adding back those baby hairs because I did lose some of them while pressing the lace with my comb to help the lace melt with my skin. Tie it down for about 5 minutes, and you guys could already see how natural this unit is blending. So I'm just going ahead and I'm adding back that foundation to the forehead and then just getting everything to blend all together and touching up the roots of this hair because I did want to have a bone straight install. I mean, it's a silky straight unit from My First Wig. Their texture is undeniably one of my favorite. It's so easy to straighten and it feels soft like butter. And I'm going to just go in with my root touch-up spray to clean up the parting space, and your girl is ready to go. Let me go ahead and add some sheen. So guys, you can see the extra thickness in this unit. I am really loving how this looks. You know, I'm not really fond of a middle part or straight hair, but it's giving. So I'm gonna let it rock. It's buzzed down, that's for sure. Y'all see how flat this top is? Laid, okay? Laid, lace melted. So let me stand up really quickly to let you guys see how long this 20-inch lands on me. And of course, let me go ahead and turn around and let you guys get a look and view from the back. You guys can see that it has body, it has density, and it just looks so damn good. I really love the updates they made to this unit. Their new lace blends perfectly, the extra parting space, and the density was exactly what was needed. So you already know I am team side part, so I am going to give you the view of what it looks like as a side part, and as you can see, it's very flat on the top. It looks super natural. There's no lumps and bumps, and it's giving a really sleek look. You don't have to do too much. Just let your hair do the talking. You know what they say, less is more. So I pulled the hair to the back and did a little loose braid just to add some personality to this side part style. What do you guys think? Are y'all feeling this install or what? So dolls, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box down below, and I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure and check out my lifestyle channel, Being Faithfully Asia, where I focus on day in the life, vlogs, home decor, and much more. And also, make sure you check out my website, shopfabulous.com, where you can find discount on the latest trendy clothes, as well as receive discounts on the units reviewed on my channel. If the energy feels right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this unit. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.